Hi there, Alby Tastic here. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the right hand panel on the Z800, and it only takes a couple of minutes or less, so let's get started. First of all, lay the computer down so the right hand panel is at the top and you have access to the two plastic sleds at the bottom. Here you'll need a screwdriver because the right hand panel is secured to the case by 7 metal pegs in the panel engaging with 7 slots in the case, and held in position by these 2 small screws set in the right hand sled. Undo the 2 screws, keeping them safe, and the panel may just slide off. If it doesn't, we may need to apply a small amount of force. In my case, I used a wooden spatula from my kitchen and a mallet. I placed the spatula against the panel, and with a few taps from the mallet the panel was freed from the slots and lifted off. This is the view of the wiring behind the panel, all neatly laid out. In the future, I may do a deep dive into the wiring system on these machines, so if you'd like to see a video on that, just let me know in the comments. But for the moment, that's it. All we have to do now is replace the panel. These are the 7 slots which the metal pegs engage in, and these are the 7 metal pegs fixed to the panel. So when sliding the panel back on, make sure they are all correctly positioned. Once done, simply slide the panel all the way in. It may take a few gentle taps from the palm of your hand or the mallet to drive it fully home. Once that's done, just refit and tighten the 2 small securing screws which will pull the panel fully home. And that's it. I told you it was easy. Now in my next video I'm going to look at why the CPUs in the Z800 seem to run hot and what can be done about it. So if that interests you and you'd like to know more, Amelia will tell you what to do next.
Hello friends, if you enjoyed our video, can I ask you to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you as a regular viewer. Thank you, and have a lovely day.